Guys, so yesterday I bought my wheel. I mean, big dents in my rim. Big. Changed my rim over last night to this Mankind Vision. It's a bit wide. I was gonna video me building it up, but I'm just gonna do a video of trying to trim my wheel. Like, it's semi-straight. Like every spoke is loose as fuck. Originally, in my old wheel, I had titanium spokes, which were expensive. You have 36 in a wheel, so roughly £90. A little bit over maybe. Considering you can get a pack of spokes for £7.20. So I bought these ones, which are total double-butted rainbow spokes, which are £55 a pack, which is not as much as Thai, but I still think it's like quite a lot considering steel ones are £7.20 a pack. But anyway, I wanted rainbow ones because they go in my front wheel, and they're double-butted, which means they're lighter than steel. The shorter side, I've got put in 9 titanium spokes. I'm going to see how long they last for. I know which ones they are because they're bent. When I took the spokes off my wheel, I didn't realise how many I actually had missing. So I had spot on 9 for one side and I had 4 for the next. That's how many I've snaps. I bought a pack, which is £55, of 1/8/6s, but because it's a Profile Elite, I've got a long side, well, a short side and a long side. I'm saying like it's the other way around, like that's the longer side, but that's the shorter side, but you need longer spokes for this side. So these are 1/8/6s and these are 1/8/4s, but because I don't want to spend £55 for one side, which makes it £110 for another pack of spokes, I've just used the same spokes over. So I've got 1/8/6s in both sides. So it basically means that I'm gonna, for this side, that's the longer side, I'm gonna have to double the tightener. This side 1/2 turn, I have to turn this side 2/2 a turn, but I have to remember that, otherwise I'll end up fucking up my wheel. That's the difference. So if we put it to the side, like that's the 2mm gap, which is actually pretty big to be fair. I'm just gonna try anyway because I need my wheel built and I want to ride. So fuck it. And to like tighten each spoke like equally as you go round, but because they're like this, I'm just gonna have to screw these in. Fuck it. That's all the way to the end. Like, it basically means the spoke's sticking out the hole, which isn't good because this will be sticking out and it'll just go straight through the end tube. Okay, so I've come to the realisation that I may have done this wrong. Like the spokes are sticking out and I don't think I'm going to be able to get them back in. Because I'm cheap and I don't want to spend another £55 on another pack of spokes. And also I do want to ride my bike tomorrow. I'm just going to cut them down. Hopefully this will resolve my issue. 18 left, 18 spare ones left. 18, exactly what I need for the wheel. Take these down to the garage, cut them in, cut 2mm off them, take one off, one in, so I'm not taking them all off, and then it kind of fucks up the wheel again. I'm going to take one off, one in. I've cut my spokes down. I'm now going to take out one by one the tall side. I don't actually need 18, I only need 9 because there's only 9 that's sticking out. So this wheel's going to be so fucked up because it's going to have 1/8/6s in the big side and 1/8/4s as well. I'm not even 1/8/4s because I cut them down myself, so I don't even know what size they are. First spoke out. under, over, get the nipple. I've actually got it semi-straight. I picked up the rest of my bike this morning from my friend Stephen's house. I put my wheel on and I've trued it to almost straight, and I just need to get like a little kink out, and hopefully once I've done that, my wheel shouldn't fall apart. I do not actually need to adjust my brake because this rim is slightly wider than my old rim, so my brake setup was for my old rim. For my new rim I need to do a new setup, so I will be doing that as well. Should all be nice and neat, and then basically I've got a new setup. I mean, it has got a bit of a wobble, but I'll let it break in and let some of the spokes loosen up. Okay, so I've just finished my wheel. I put it back on. The spokes are tight, the wheel's good, the brake's good, everything's good, it all looks good. I'm good. And I'm going to go and ride it later on with Haz. I'm going to do another video at Blackpool Skate Park, an outdoor, I'm not sure what it's called, I can't remember. But it's got a spine, a hip, and a little box jump. So hopefully get some good clips out of Haz, and I'll put a video on later on.